Morning guys. Well, back out again. This time I've came to Northumberland, just about 5 miles outside of Rothborough, and we're going to be fishing Fontburn Reservoir. Now the conditions seem ideal. I'm going to be using power bait. I've never brought any maggots or worms because I don't seem to be, any time I go anywhere it's always a power bait I seem to be catching on, so I've just got power bait ways a day. Now I'm here with my partner Lisa. She's been up ahead to try and get the spot that we usually like. Now I've just been told to my local tackle dealer that Fontburn Reservoir, I don't know if they used to do this before or no, but they've started like a perch section. I don't know if it's this part of the reservoir or a separate part of the reservoir, but I'll ask that the next time I see the ranger. And another thing to tell is, apparently you can, whether it's true or no I don't know, you can give me feedback on this, but apparently you're allowed to use fishing kayaks in here now, which again I don't know if that's true, but I'll probably need to wait and see if that is, because that would be ideal for myself because I've got a fishing kayak, as you probably have seen in my last video when I was up at Loch Lomond. Wasn't the best conditions, where I had to come off the island because of the weather, and the weather was horrendous. So conditions today are a lot better. So I'm going to get down here and get my stuff set up, and then I'll get back to you. First fish of the day. This has only been in 5 minutes. Here it comes. Let's get it in. Come on then. There we go. Beautiful rainbow. There we go. First fish of the day. Right, I'll need to knock this bit out because I don't want you to see this. Oops. Come on then. Come on. Yeah. Try to get away from me. That's it. That's what it needs.
Carrier bags and cooler box.
Oh, you're joking.
Because I need the toilet anyway.
Can you hold that line tight, Lisa? I'll just put that rod down.
Put it down.
Hold, just hold that line so I can get this discorder on. Hold it tight. There we go. First fish of the day. I'll just leave it in there. You got to get bring the wipes down and all, Lisa. He's one of the red balls on, I know, didn't you? Hey, you kept that quiet, didn't you? Here we go. First cast. That's not bad. Right, basically that's the setup. That's my rod in, that's my chair. I've got my bivvy there. I've just half opened it, I don't usually put it further up if I'm out in a nice day. It's just in case we get any showers or anything like that. I brought the brolly as well. That's the bag. Put the box in that area. So I just keep the stuff out the road once we're finished with it. Then if we need it, we know where it is. That's the first fish. That's the lassie's setup. She's using some tails or something they're called. So, not a bad first fish, is it? So, but it's nice. Conditions are ideal. So, I'll get back to you once I've caught any of the fish. So I say it's not too bad. It costs £36 for a couple's permit, and that's for 8 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock at night. I know they do an afternoon man, which is a bit cheaper, but you spend the full day here. It's beautiful, man, sir, and you've got the weather, and we're catching fish, so what more can you ask for? Another thing I forgot to mention is when you come into Fontburn Reservoir and you come down to the car park, don't worry if you see a park meter. It doesn't apply to permit holders. It only applies to people that come up to go for walks and that, because I thought you had to pay a fiver for 6 hours, it's a tenner for 12 hours, but when you go for your permits they give you a separate parking ticket, so don't worry about that if you see that when you come up, because I thought to myself, surely they can't expect you to pay parking plus the permit, so no, it's all included. I just thought I'd mention that. Change of tactics. Want some cheese power bait here. I'm just going to roll it into a ball. Try that. Tried a few different methods this morning, but had a few bites, but that's the cheese one. Smells of cheese. Through the hook. And then just squeeze it on. Just like that. We'll try that, See if the fish like the cheese, eh? Different power baits. That's the cheesy one. That's the one. There we go. We're in. Likes the cheese, Lisa. There we go. Rainbow likes the cheese. Oh, it smells good, Connor. Right. Well hooked. I hooked that one well. There we go. Bontburn Reservoir. Rainbow. Beautiful fish. My first one of the day. Aye aye. I'm going to try this. I've got that big go outdoors. And a few midges a bit so. See how it does that. Smidge, smidge at Mitch. Noisy bunch. And again. Right. Two's are in. I tell you something. It likes the cheese. Bring it in then. Could be a tag fish. Oh, it might be a perch. Bring it in. Just bring it right in. You got it? Nice one, mate. Oh, jet. Getting a bit of everything today. Anyway. That's it. Aye. I know, nice rainbow. Two at the same time, aye. Good fishing. Just got that tree. They're up there. Aye. What are we allowed? 8 fish each?
12.
12 fish. You hold that, Lisa, that line. Just to get this disgorging in again. Fontburn Reservoir. Bring some ruffled bar sweeties. They're the berries. Got another one. There you go. Nice rainbow, that one. Well guys, that's us nearly about got it back up. No bad days fishing today. There we go. 5 nice rainbows. I'd say about £1.5 to maybe £2. £1.5 at least. No bad days fishing. It's now just after 5, so we're just going to get packed up and then away. So that was Fontburn Reservoir. The next one we'll probably try is Grassholm. Then Derwent Reservoir. I've never tried them before, so I'll give them a bash. But apparently we were the only ones that really caught this many fish, according to the ranger. That's what I've seen all day. According to the ranger, they've only caught like ones. We've caught 5. Lisa's lost about 4 or 5. So let's put a clip up for you. Right guys, that's all packed up there. New mess. Left it as we got it. The bivvy was there. No rubbish. That bag there Lisa's got's got all the rubbish in, so until the next one guys. Stay safe. Catch you later. Hey, you just missed it.